In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to loop video in a Canva website. Let's start with a quick reality check so you know exactly what to expect. Right now, Canva's website builder does not provide a built-in loop control for embedded videos. That means if you embed a YouTube video or a Canva design as an embed, it will play once and then stop. The viewer can restart it manually, but you can't make it loop automatically from within Canva's website editor. Here's why. Canva's embed blocks don't expose playback parameters, so you can't pass controls like loop equals 1. Even if you try to append things like $loop equals 1 to the URL, Canva's embed system ignores those parameters. It's a platform limitation rather than something you're missing in the settings. With that clear, there is a practical approach that can improve your setup if you have access to the actual video file. Instead of using a YouTube embed, upload your own MP4 to Canva and place it directly on the page. While this still doesn't unlock a true loop toggle in most Canva sites, it keeps everything self-contained and avoids the quirks of third-party embeds. Here's what that looks like. Open your projects, go to Uploads, and upload your video file. Once it's in your library, open your website design. If you need more room, add a new section, then drag and drop the uploaded video onto the page. Position it where you want it in the layout. This gives you a clean, native video element inside your Canva site. It's important to note that some content management systems let you set attributes like loop and autoplay on video elements, but Canva typically doesn't expose those controls in the website builder. Canva also restricts custom HTML and JavaScript, so you can't inject your own loop attribute as code. After you publish and preview your site, expect the video to play once, and then wait for the viewer to press play again. So, the best current practice is to upload the MP4, place it as a native video on your Canva page, and design with the understanding that it won't auto-loop. Keep an eye on Canva's updates, because if they add playback controls for website videos in the future, that's where you'd enable looping. Until then, the limitation is simply part of how Canva handles embeds and on-page media. The key takeaway: you can feature your video smoothly on a Canva website, but automatic looping isn't supported today. By uploading the file and placing it directly, you'll get the most reliable playback Canva offers right now.